Good morning and namaskar. Today I am back with you again because the Q1 result season is on. Today we will see a company, a very small company indeed, Mishtann Foods Limited, Mishtann, Mishtann Foods Limited. This company was originally called Hicks Cements Private Limited. Sometime during 2015, probably January 2015, the company was rechristened as Mishtann Foods Limited by some of its erstwhile promoters, and now they are running the show. The company is mainly dealing in sale and export of basmati rice and other varieties of rice, and of late it has started dealing in other food items as well. The managing director of the company is Hitesh Kumar G. Patel. It has got 15 plus super stockists, which means probably wholesalers. 15 plus super stockists. It is present in 10 states of India. Of course, it is exporting also. 45,000 plus retailers. Now, the company is sourcing the basmati rice and other varieties of food products from various farmers, etc., on a simple cash and carry basis. But where from is it getting the money for that? Means it is getting a concessional rate loan from banks. Through this process, there are multiple checks to assess the quality. So it is always quality consciousness, whether it is in sourcing or processing or packaging or retailing. So, after sourcing it from the various farmers, it takes them to a processing plant, which is somewhere in Gujarat. It's a modern and completely automated plant with a capacity of 45 MT per hour. In the processing plant also, lot of quality checks, efficiency enhancement and cost reduction measures are implemented. Packaging, modern packaging in 1 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg and 25 kg quantities, and customized packaging for special customers depending upon the type of orders received and demand forecasts. So, it is also having tie-ups, not exactly tie-ups, but long-standing arrangements with hotels, restaurants and cafes for supply of their needs. So, a lot of marketing initiatives have been taken in, and media engagement also is there, like Facebook, Twitter, etc. Media platforms are there, and it is participating in exhibitions, all India exhibitions, world exhibitions, etc. This plant is in Himat Nagar, Gujarat. Now, after knowing the details about this company, now we will go to the results, latest results, that is Q1 FY23 results. Net sales are 158 crores. It is slightly more than the previous quarter, which had 153 crores. So now 158, previous quarter 153, and year ago quarter, Q1 of last year, 72 crores. So compared to last year Q1 quarter, the current Q1 quarter has clocked 119% more. Year on year, 119% more. But quarter on quarter is a very moderate 3%. Costs have increased to some extent. Raw material costs have increased 110%. Employees cost has increased. Depreciation, all things have increased. Now profit after tax has come to 11 crores. Previous quarter profit was slightly more at 13 crores. Current quarter 11 crores. Previous quarter 13 crores. But year ago quarter was just 3.49 crores. So profit after tax is more by 216% year on year, but less by 16% quarter on quarter. Equity is now 100 crores. Till last quarter it was 50 crores. They have given bonus share in the ratio of 1:1. Taking that into account, the current equity is 100 crores. They are very liberal with dividend and bonus also now. So earnings per share is 0.11. Face value is 1 rupee. The current quarter has come down earnings per share to 0.11. Last quarter equity was more 50 crores only. Then it was 0.26. Now approximately the same. On 100 crores equity 0.11. Now market price is around 9 rupees only on a face value of rupees 1. Price earning is about 20. Now ROCE is 38.3%, which is very impressive. ROE is 36.5%, which is also very good. Face value 1 rupee. Now in the previous quarters also it has done reasonably well. In March 2022 quarter, the sales were up by 45.9%. In December 2021 quarter, the sales were up by 24.99%. In September 2021 quarter, sales were up by 24%. Like that, it has been improving its sales steadily. But price only is the problem. Price, the lowest in the last 52 weeks range is 2.86. Very low. Highest was 19.55. Volumes are good. You can sell or buy easily in Mishtann Foods Limited. Money control has given it 80% pass. Technicals very bearish. Insights strong performer. That is operational performance and financial performance are good, but price performance is very, very dismal. Book value same as face value, that is 1.07 now. Price to book is 8.76. Market cap is very low at 442 crores. Now if you look at the shareholding pattern, promoters equity is at 49.28%. Price performance, as I said, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, year to date, 1 year, 3, all are dismal. Of course, the company has reduced its debt, has been reducing its debt. Company is expected to perform reasonably well in future quarters also. Now because the rupee has depreciated against the dollar, all exports will bring it more rupees. So company has been delivering good profit growth and maintaining healthy dividend. It has given bonus shares also. But price very bad. Now let us look at annual performance for the last 4 years. Sales were 482 crores in 2019, 482 only in 2020 also, but dipped in 2021, 351 crores. and but 2022 it has shot up to 499. In the last 12 months, trailing 12 months, 584 crores. So sales have been improving steadily. Now operating profit, forget about the last 3 years. In March 2022, it is 52%, 52 crores, and trailing 12 months 64 crores. Operating profit margin is 10% during the last year, and trailing 12 months it is 11%. Net profit, if you look at that, again omit last previous 3 years, the latest year, March 2022 year, 31 crores, and trailing 12 months is 39. So it has been improving. EPS also likewise, omit the last 3 years, latest year, March 2022 is 0.31 on a face value of rupees 1, and trailing 12 months is 0.38. So profit growth has been there reasonably well. Price growth only is very dismal. Return on equity is especially latest year, March 2002, it is very good. So overall, we can say Mishtann Foods has been performing reasonably well operationally, and also reasonably slightly less, but reasonable in terms of financial performance. But price performance is very dismal because the market is not taking a good look at the potential of Mishtann Foods Limited. Of course, that job depends on the management also to a great extent. Hope the management of Mishtann Foods wakes up to this aspect and tries to maintain good price performance also. Whether you should sell or buy or hold, that depends upon you. I have given you all the details. Now the future may be reasonably good. I can't say very bright because it depends upon the management. So if it performs well, price performance also will improve gradually. Thank you very much for listening. I will be back with you with very good performance. Generally, I will be dealing with companies which have given good operational performance. Thank you.